Google Colab, first go to colab.google, which is colab.google. That'll take you to this page. When you get to this page, click on Open Colab. When you get to this, just hit cancel for now, and you'll see the welcome page to Colab. So the thing you want to do is you could read through this if you like. This gives you a lot of information about how to use Colab and the various advantages there are to using Colab. But in order to start programming, let's just go ahead and say File, New Notebook in Drive. And by Drive, it means Google Drive. So we will want you to be logged into your Google Drive account. So when I say new notebook, it goes in here and it gives me this page. So here, let's just write a very simple program. So I say print hello world. To run this little program, I click on Run All. And it prints hello world. Let's add some more lines to this program. Let me say input. Oh, before that, variable name x equals input. What is your name? And then we print welcome and a comma and x. And let's just put a little space after the welcome over here. Now when I go ahead and run this program, it says hello world, what is your name? And I'm typing Shy, and it says welcome Shy. So you have now successfully written your first program using Google Colab.